On September 23, 2023, a report came into the Metro Transit Authority about a man jerking it on the bus. Allegedly, this perv tried to force a woman to sit next to him while he cranked one out. Fortunately, the woman got away and even managed to film the happy ending. I won't show you that, but mainly because I don't want to see that or get demonetized. Although I'm sure there's at least one sicko in the audience who might be into that kind of stuff. Gross.
Doing okay? Officer Bickham Metro Police, man. I just want to talk to you about something when it happened on the train, man.
Yeah.
You get into anything with like a Hispanic lady or something?
No.
Oh, no. Okay. You just matched the description of somebody, man. You mind if I get your ID real quick?
Well, I don't have ID. My name's Stefan David.
Okay. I'll just get your name and date of birth and stuff. What's your last name, sir?
It's Stefan David.
Davis.
S-T-F-O-N.
S-T-E.
F-O-N.
Oh, Stefan?
Yes.
Okay. What's your date of birth, sir? Cool. Do you have any weapons on you, sir?
Hello?
Cool. Mind if I pat you down real quick?
No, I don't know.
Just turn me real quick. Just pat you down real quick, bro. Appreciate it, man. Cool. Alright, just lean against the front of the car, bro. Appreciate it, man.
Actually, you know what? Hey, go ahead and put that out for me real quick. We're just gonna put you in cuffs right now just until we get everything figured out, alright? Or 15, 1 to 10. I got him. I'm just gonna double lock these real quick so that way it doesn't tighten up on you, okay? Tightness good, man? Alright. We're trying to figure it out. So, like I said, man, the cuffs are just on just for safety for right now until we can figure everything out.
So like I was saying, man, you matched the description of somebody involved in a crime. So we're doing what's called an investigatory detention, okay?
Oh?
An investigatory detention
What's that?
basically means you're just detained right now, not under arrest, until we finish investigating the crime. If it's not you, we take you off, let you go. If it's you, then, you know, we'll go from there. Okay, alright. Well, if that's the case, you have nothing to worry about. But right now, you're detained, not free to leave, okay? Makes sense? You cool with that? You cool if we take you to the parking lot over there? You don't mind? Okay. Alright, man.
Do I go to the parking lot for what?
Just so we're not blocking a sidewalk.
Yeah, because we're all on the sidewalk and in the park.
For what? What's going on?
You're just detained right now.
It's still the same stuff.
If you're gonna make it a big deal, you know what I'm saying, we'll just leave you right here, man. If you're gonna make it a big deal, we'll just stay right here. You don't wanna go nowhere.
I ain't got no body that shit.
Okay. Alright.
What kind of problem with me? I mean, what's going on?
It's an assault offense. Potentially. Is how it dropped. It could be something else.
Oh,
It could be something else, but that's kind of the information we have right now. So, nothing like that? Yeah. So nothing happened on the train earlier today? You sure? We got good cameras, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean,
misunderstand the conversation with anybody? What you mean nothing happened?
that's what I'm asking you. Did something happen?
I mean, nah, I ain't done shit. Well, I'm running. Nah, hell no.
Okay.
I got anything to worry about, hell no.
Alright. We're gonna have another officer come by, and that was some more information. Like I said, if it ends up being you, might be right. It's okay. But limited information I have, I know it enough to something.
If you ask me, I'm gonna tell you what I mean. I'm grown. I mean, I'm a man. So
Well, if you had to guess, what do you think? Metro, something happened on Metro platform train, right?
Okay,
We
well,
got the cameras.
okay.
So if there's anything on your mind, you think maybe
whole
yourself.
understanding. You know, I understand about the situation first. I hear now. Not well. I'm worried. No, hell no. I'm not now, man. Well, it's 2 way street on some dog shit. You know.
After haggling for a bit, the female victim swung by in a cop car to identify the suspect. If you look closely, you can see the cop car creeping up in the background.
¿Sí puede decir si es el muchacho? Sí es, ok. 356, she confirmed.
Well, you heard it. She confirmed. Looks like you're off to jail. Stefan Davis was arrested on 1 felony count of possession of a controlled substance and 1 misdemeanor case of indecent exposure. If convicted, he could face up to 2 years behind bars. Davis has been previously arrested for unauthorized use of a vehicle, burglary, continuous violence against the family, evading arrest, prostitution, assault, and a litany of other smaller charges. Who's surprised?
Cheers. Yeah. Got some warrants anyway, brother. Yeah. Fair evading. Fair evading. Didn't buy a drink ticket or whatever. At a minimum, we got you that.
Hey, same thing as last time, bro. You can just take the cuffs with you. I'll get them later. Yeah.
Yeah. What's your say?
Alright, I'll hold them while you guys are.
Pretty laser real good? My bad, man. Just got a one pair of pants and the underwear. Oh, you got, so you got 2 pairs of shorts then? Yeah. You don't got no narcotics on you?
Hey, back around here.
Little something?
Pipe.
Oh, okay.
Whatever's in the bag.
Okay.
Got some papers here.
Credit card.
Hey, take off your shoes real quick.
I'm gonna take this off. You're on your neck right here.
Yeah. Hardest to pop, sir? Maybe something brown bag. Single feet.
Watch your foot, bud.
Cool. All right, now that I have all the information, I can be straight with you, okay? Earlier it's kind of vague. That's why I didn't give you a lot of information. So we have someone alleging that you committed like an indecent exposure, which basically means you may have shown your private parts. So that's a criminal offense, okay? So they're saying they do want to press charges. So you're probably going to catch a charge for that, okay? But what I'm doing, I'm booking you on the warrants. What the other investigating officer does is on them, okay?
Them like ones.
That's fair evasion.
You can say, goddamn me, come. I mean, I done got pulled up plenty of times when I right there. The word, they let you
We
go.
actually put in the front seat. Yeah, if you don't mind. Kind of like the little door panel thing. Appreciate it,
I
bro.
just got out of jail, so it can't be no ones that have been popped up active.
So what it is, it's fair evasion. So maybe you got a little ticket for not buying like a train ticket or something stupid like that. You know what I mean? So I'm booking you on those. It turned into 2 warrants because you got the one for not having the ticket. Then you didn't show up to court.
Them ain't even misdemeanor. Them like class A, class.
No, it's class C's.
Okay, them like.
So traditionally like fine only. But since you didn't go to court, we have to bring you before a judge is all that is. So they're probably going to reset your court date or give you time served for that. So like I said, if you end up catching that charge, like I said, I'm not the officer doing that. If you do catch that, it might be like, I mean, they'll still let you out. They'll give you a court date, you know what I mean? So it's not like you're going to sit in the Hooskow for, you know, any real in the jail. You're probably not going to sit in there for any extended period of time, you know. Unless you have like some stuff shoved under your genitals. You have any like narcotics or anything in there? No. Yeah, then you'll probably be out in the morning. Reset court dates for everything.
Bullshit, man.
So, yeah. The fair evasion ticket's not petty, man. But Metro's policy is if you have any warrants whatsoever, we have to take you in. Okay. I think somebody let like a murderer go one time, so now they have a no tolerance policy for it. So, does everything make sense as I've explained it to you so far?
It's cool how you explain it, but nah, I read it.
Okay.
Could you put one about a different way, but
Okay. All right. Well, if you have any more questions or anything, we can talk about it on the way to JPC. Okay. So, all right, man.
Hey, Beck, you need anything from me other than
What's up?
yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, air condition.
Oh, the air condition? That's all on? Oh, I got you, bro. Yeah, let me do that.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.